DIYers, I've cut this tricky bit first because I didn't want it to break. I'll make sure I'm right through at this end, then I'm able to cut through and no corner will break off. The mistake I made before, I didn't quite cut through at that end there, and the weight broke a corner off, which was a bummer. Now that, people, is bloody gorgeous. So what I do now is just run my grinder along the edge. Careful when you're turning it around that you don't hit anything because it'll break. I've got to be so careful when I'm putting this in as well. I'm just running the grinder lightly. Then I just run a sanding block along that edge. And we're good to go. Put that somewhere where it won't break. And the next one, just touch the tile very lightly with your grinder just to get that little bit of a chamfer. It just helps out your sanding block. Okay, we'll see if we can run it upstairs and fit it in. Back soon. Stay tuned. See ya.